This is nice and handy because you can do it with one hand. I think folks on this channel like to see chainsaws. Well, here's one I'm going to open today and test it out. Well, it's not really a chainsaw, it's more a mini electric, well, it does say chainsaw. It's more like a pruner. So this is going to be an unboxing. Looks like it's 6 inches. Okay. Let's see if it comes already charged up. Let's see. Oh yeah, it looks charged. Well, look at this. The good thing is this battery is easily interchangeable with another battery that I have. It might work if you have another one of these. This is lithium 21 volt max. This is 2000. They look like about the same. Probably need to put some oil in here. Oh no, that's not the oil. That's the chain tensioner. Maybe you manually oil it. Put a little oil in here and then manually put it on here. Let me try that. Okay, so it does come with a little oil here, but I don't think this is refillable. I guess you just manually put it on here. I mean, it's better than nothing, right? And then you're just supposed to oil it up like this. I mean, all right, well, it is what it is. Let's go test this out. Before we use this, let's figure out how to adjust this. And this just comes out like this. Okay, and there's your sprocket. And let's see. Yeah, okay, so there you go. Okay, so that's your screw to adjust it. It does come with a screwdriver to adjust. Okay, so that we can adjust. All right. Let me put this back on. Pretty straightforward, minimal number of parts. I guess that's nice. That's probably good. Get that lubed up. It only came with one chain and one battery. It would be really nice if this had an extra chain, an extra battery, a way to oil it, but you know, if you're just going to use it around for pruning around here, home use, not bad. I just like to have extra spares when this gets dull. The safety feature is nice having this button here, but you know what? It'd be nice to have it on this side too if you need to use it with your left hand. I mean, I guess I could try it like this with my left hand and then my middle finger. It can be done. It's just a little bit awkward. Oh man, I left my chainsaw here last night. Don't like leaving these outside. Forgetting about that. This is my Neotech. Well, you can see how this one stands up against it. Just a little one-handed pruner versus I think this is, how many pounds was this? 14 pounds, something like that. Oh, look at that poison ivy. Let's see if this can get this poison ivy here. Oh man, that just went on me. Yikes. Anyway, here's this pile that I've been working on. I took down a few trees here with the chainsaw and with the Mini X. 1, 2, 3. So cleaning up a little bit down here, and I want to do a burn pile over here. Some of these branches are a little bit too close to this black walnut here, so I want to trim up some of these branches and then maybe put them on top, make it more compact. It'll be easier to start this, especially when they're still a little bit green. This is nice and handy because you can do it with one hand, but let's try this. This is about a 2-inch cut here. Not bad. Of course, I need to get my other hand free so I can kind of lift this up, but I'm holding it with the camera right here. Here we go. Let's try this here. It's nice to have one hand on the branch and one hand with this pruner. Then you can just grab it and throw it in. And you just grab it as it comes off. I mean, that works great. It's powerful. It's fast. Let's try this one here. Definitely got some power to it. I mean, it's charged up. It's a brand new blade, so I would expect that out of it. But look at this. I can just come around here and cut. Easy peasy. Let's try something thick. big. Why don't we try it on this tree right here? This one, not this one, but this one leaning over. Trying to get some light in here. This tree is about 6 inches, I would say, right there. I mean, this blade's only 6 inches. Probably not designed for trees this big, but let's give that a shot. I'm gonna switch this over to my left hand. I got stuck there, pushing it too hard. It's starting to go. All right. That's coming down. There we go. I had a little pressure on that, but it's a pretty big tree. For this guy, it is. All right, well, that does pretty quick work. Even, so what is that? That's maybe 5 inches there. So even if you got decent sized trees, you can handle that. I don't think it's designed for trees as much as it is for branches, trimming up, one-handed operations. I don't know how you live without these days. They're so nice and easy, especially for small stuff, right? Grab it with one hand, cut, you know. I mean, that's the type of work that it's really designed for. I need to tighten up the chain a little bit. It's getting loose, so got to keep my screwdriver with me. Screwdriver right there. Tighten that up, and then probably oil it every little bit. Doesn't have an automatic oiler, so bring oil with you, bring a screwdriver with you, and if you have an extra battery, bring an extra battery. So I would recommend this product. I would love to see an extra chain, love to see an extra battery, love to see an automatic oiler maybe, but I don't know, maybe it's okay without the oiler. You know, that is less moving parts, and then you just got to put some oil on there. If you want to purchase this, I think I have a discount code I can put in the description or in the comments below, so just use that code and you'll get a discount on this. I am probably going to upgrade in the future. I think they have an 8-inch version of this. If I get that 8-inch version, I will do a demo with that one as well. Maybe compare and contrast this one with the 8-inch one. Slightly more powerful. Bigger's not always better. This one is so convenient. It's very safe and easy to use when it's this light. So, but 8-inch will probably do more heavier branches like this one. Yeah, you don't wanna try something like that, especially with this Osage. Osage is very hard wood.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally.
I don't know what was going on. It took me a while to get this going. Maybe something was clogging the regulator. But let's see if this starts. This is very wet out here. You hear the thunder. This is a good time to start this. I think it'll catch. it'll get going. Got a lot of pine here, a lot of sap. All right, but this is just one of two. Let's start the other fire as well. There's not really a real dense area to start this fire, and there's not a lot of wind out here, which it may not spread very well if I don't get enough wind, even though I don't want too much wind. But let's try starting this maybe maybe over here, maybe right there. This one may be too green. I cut this down yesterday. Yeah, look at that fire up there. You see it? That one's already going. That one's been sitting for a while. This one, I'm probably gonna have to let it dry out for a little bit. If I had put this on top of that, it'd be fine. But this is just so green. It's gonna need a few weeks to dry out at least. All right, starting to rain a little bit. I don't know if that's gonna go. It's pretty hot, but it's really gotta get some coals going before it's gonna push that way. That one's up there is gonna be doing fine. Let's go check on that real quick. Yeah. This one is doing just fine. And it is pretty close to this tree over here, which is good that it's not windy. It's very close to that tree as well, so this should hopefully burn down, and I'll just keep it right there and it will not spread. Hopefully it won't kill any more of these branches.